What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the Lightyear skin from Brawl Stars. Let's begin along the top of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going all the way around. And we'll line that up on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's add in the eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, angle is down and in. Line it up on the right. Go straight up towards the top, and we'll flatten this off. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Let's move to the center and draw a straight line going across the bottom edge of the nose. Now I'm going to draw a triangle. I'm going to go up towards the middle, and then back down. Now let's layer the cheeks in underneath the eyes. Starting from the outside, draw a circle, going all the way around and then back up underneath. Let's shift the mouth over towards the right, starting in the center, going out and then up. Now let's draw the lower half of the head. We're going to start from the outside, bend this out, come all the way down towards the bottom, round out the chin, go up, and then bend that in. Let's add a swirl across the chin, starting in the middle, going around, and then swirl that up. Now let's close off the top of the head. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up, go around the eyebrows, and then bring that down on the right. Let's add the ear covers. Cover this out, and then back in. Let's go back to the left side and draw a trim going around the face, across the middle, and then back down. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the body. So we're going to start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve going up in towards the chin, go across, and then bend that back down. Let's add a detail across the shoulder. We're going to go up, in, and then down. Now from the top, we're going to draw a curve going across the top of the helmet, coming in above the head, go across, and then bring that down on top right. Underneath the jaw, draw two straight angle lines coming down across the neck. Now let's continue working down the body. Starting from the outside, angle is down and in. Pull this down and in toward the bottom. And we're going to pull this up and in towards the center. Let's add that detail in the middle. Start with a point, and this up and then out toward the left and right side. And this up towards the top. And I want to trace this along the inside. Over on the left side of the chest, we're going to draw three ovals coming down at an angle. So we'll start with the one on the inside. I'm just going to line these up, going out. Let's go all the way over towards the right side and draw a circle. And we're going to add a bevel going out, starting from the top, going out, and then back in towards the bottom. From these 2 points, let's step in, draw the side of the body. We're going to come down, and then in towards the hips. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back to the left side and draw a curve. We're going to go up and then back down. Now on either side, we're going to add a strap. From this point, angle is down and out, step up, draw it again. Now we go to the center of the body, step down and add a straight line going across in between the legs, Now on the left side, I'm going to bend the leg, going out and down toward the left heel, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's add an oval across the heel, coming all the way around and then back down. From the bottom of the oval, draw a straight line going across the bottom of the foot. From the outside, let's curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down on top of that oval. Now let's trace this along the inside, coming towards the inside of that oval. And we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. Stepping up, draw another straight line going across. And then we're going to add a toe cap, adding a small half circle on the ends. Now let's go to the outside and draw a straight angle line going up about halfway on the outside of the leg. You want to curve this in and then down toward the inside. Let's draw a half circle coming down across the knee and then back up. And then from the outside, step in, bend the leg going up and then in towards the hips. Let's add that detail in the center. Start with a point, angle this up and out to the left and right side. Go up and then in. Let's add another layer. Stepping in, angle this down and out, go up and then out towards the hips. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the shoulders. We're going to start from the top of the body, step down, draw a circle, going all the way around, and just tuck that up underneath the chest. Now from the bottom of the circle, I'm just going to bend the forearm, coming in and then down towards the side of the body. Let's go to the outside of the circle, bend the arm going out and down towards the elbow. And then from the elbow, bend this down and then in. Let's add a trim, going up and then in towards the wrist. From the wrist, bend the hand, coming down and in. Just going to round out the knuckle, coming in and then up underneath the body. Let's add a rectangle on the back of the hands. Let's connect the inside of the arm to the elbow with a curve. And step in, draw another curve going up toward the top of the forearm. On the left forearm, let's add a circle for the button. Now I'm going to add a small detail on the outside of the arm. So on the left, I'm going to draw a half circle on both sides. And then we'll split this in half with a straight line. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Lightyear from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.